matching a drug to someone, like specialized medicine, personalized medicine. So pharmacogenomics is more like studying the mutations of the endocannabinoid system. So my thesis was on how mutations affect cannabinoid receptor function and things like that. And then my thesis demonstrated helping to solve the structure of the receptors, saying like, look, you get these mutations, these types of drugs are going to bind less effectively to the receptor. But then there's this other side of the coin, which is what this test looks like, is how those drugs are metabolized. Now, maybe you've seen a study where people have taken THC orally and the graph is all over the place for blood levels. That's because metabolization is different, right? Some people take THC and it's 2 hours, boom, others 6 hours. So we wrote this for the World Health Organization. It's a critical review, part of our international advocacy work. This is all nonprofit work here. And so this probably has some of the information you're looking at in terms of what I would say the general pharmacology, pharmacokinetics, pharmacodynamics, and adverse events. And so a lot of what we're looking at here is how it's metabolized. And so I can give you kind of a basic analogy. It's like, for example, I'm drinking coffee right now. I can probably take a nap in 2 hours. Other people would drink that, going to be up all day because the rate of metabolism is different. What type of CYP enzyme? And so that's part of where some of the data comes from, is knowing how cannabinoids are metabolized in the body. That would be more pharmacogenetics. It's a sub-difference. But so if you wanted to look at some of the evidence, let's see. Let me see if it's in here. This is a peer-reviewed thing we did at a conference last year.
Well, do you have this online where I can look at it later? And
Absolutely. I can send you. We also just wrote a book chapter with Ethan Russo. I can send you. Drop me a line. I'll give you both. So this is so the connection is Americans for Safe Access is founded in 2003, and it's a patient advocacy nonprofit. So basically, OnlyYOU has generously agreed to donate proceeds from sales directly to support patient advocacy. Our mission at Americans for Safe Access is to ensure safe and legal access to cannabis for therapeutic and research purposes. And so we are one of our partner groups with the nonprofit. So we're working together. But we have a ton of data. I've been publishing in research for about 10 years, including studying combinations. We have tons of material as well as online courses.
I would like to look into